Hair loss can be frustrating and confusing. One day you're styling your hair with ease, and the next, you're noticing more strands in the sink or on your pillow. But what if I told you that understanding the two main causes of hair loss can help you not only prevent it, but even regrow your hair naturally? In today's video, we'll break down the science behind why you're losing hair and what you can do about it starting today. Hair loss affects millions of people worldwide, and it's not just a cosmetic issue. It can affect your confidence, self-esteem, and overall sense of well-being. The first step in tackling hair loss is understanding what's causing it, because not all hair loss is the same. In fact, most hair loss comes down to two primary causes: genetics and lifestyle factors. Whether you're dealing with gradual thinning, sudden hair shedding, or even receding hairlines, knowing the root cause of your hair loss is key to finding the right solution. Today, we'll dive deep into the two main causes of hair loss and explore natural, effective ways to not only prevent further loss, but also promote regrowth. Let's get started. The first major cause of hair loss is genetic hair loss, also known as androgenetic alopecia. This type of hair loss is the most common, affecting both men and women. In men, it's often called male pattern baldness, and in women, it's referred to as female pattern hair loss. If you have a family history of hair loss, you may be more likely to experience it yourself. Genetic hair loss is largely driven by a hormone called dihydrotestosterone, or DHT. DHT is a byproduct of testosterone, and while it's important for the development of male characteristics, it can wreak havoc on hair follicles. In individuals who are genetically predisposed to hair loss, DHT binds to hair follicles, causing them to shrink over time. This leads to thinning hair, and eventually, the follicles stop producing hair altogether. Genetic hair loss typically begins with thinning at the crown of the head or a receding hairline. In men, it often results in a horseshoe-shaped pattern of baldness. In women, it usually causes a general thinning of the hair across the scalp, but women rarely go completely bald. While you can't change your genetics, there are ways to slow down or even reverse the effects of androgenetic alopecia. Here are a few proven strategies. Minoxidil, also known as Rogaine, is an FDA-approved topical treatment that helps stimulate hair follicles and increase hair growth. It's available over the counter and has been shown to be effective in both men and women. Applying it twice a day can help regrow hair in thinning areas. Finasteride, or Propecia, is an oral medication that blocks the conversion of testosterone into DHT. By reducing DHT levels, it helps prevent further hair loss and can even promote regrowth in some cases. However, it's important to talk to your doctor about potential side effects before using this treatment. If you prefer a more natural approach, certain foods and supplements like saw palmetto, pumpkin seed oil, and green tea have been shown to help block DHT. These natural DHT blockers may not be as potent as medication, but can still be beneficial, especially when combined with a healthy diet and lifestyle. While genetics play a significant role in hair loss, the second major cause of hair loss is lifestyle and environmental factors. These factors can include anything from stress, poor nutrition, harsh hair treatments, to medical conditions. The good news is, hair loss caused by these factors is often reversible with the right changes. Stress. High levels of stress can trigger a condition called telogen effluvium, where more hair than usual enters the resting phase of the hair growth cycle. This leads to excessive shedding, but the good news is, once the stress is managed, hair usually regrows on its own. Poor nutrition. Your hair needs certain vitamins and minerals to grow strong and healthy. Deficiencies in iron, zinc, biotin, and vitamin D can all contribute to hair loss. Eating a well-balanced diet rich in whole foods, fruits, and vegetables is essential for maintaining healthy hair. Overstyling and chemical treatments. Using heat tools, chemical relaxers, or dyes frequently can weaken the hair shaft and lead to breakage or thinning. Over time, harsh styling can cause permanent damage to hair follicles. Medical conditions. Health issues like thyroid imbalances, autoimmune diseases, and scalp infections can also lead to hair loss. If you suspect an underlying medical condition is causing your hair loss, it's important to consult a healthcare provider for proper diagnosis and treatment. Here's how you can combat hair loss due to lifestyle factors. Manage stress. Incorporating stress-reducing activities like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing can help restore hormonal balance and support hair growth. Reducing stress levels will not only improve your overall well-being, but also reduce the chances of telogen effluvium. Improve your diet. Make sure you're getting enough protein, vitamins, and minerals in your diet. Foods rich in biotin, like eggs, nuts, and seeds, along with foods high in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon, can help nourish your scalp and promote hair growth. If you're concerned about specific deficiencies, talk to your doctor about taking supplements like biotin or vitamin D. Gentle hair care. Be mindful of how you treat your hair. Use gentle, sulfate-free shampoos and avoid excessive heat styling. If you dye your hair, give it time to recover between treatments and use conditioning masks to protect the strands. Medical treatments. If a medical condition is causing your hair loss, seek treatment for the underlying issue. For example, if you have a thyroid imbalance, treating the thyroid disorder may stop or reverse hair loss. If you suspect an infection or autoimmune disease, consult with a dermatologist to get the right diagnosis. Promoting hair regrowth. Combining strategies for best results. When it comes to hair regrowth, the most effective approach is often a combination of treatments targeting both genetic and lifestyle-related factors. Whether you're managing DHT levels, improving your diet, or reducing stress, consistency is key. It can take several months to see noticeable results, so be patient and stay committed to your regimen. Other hair growth boosting tips. Scalp massage. Regular scalp massages help improve blood circulation to the hair follicles, promoting healthier, faster hair growth. You can use oils like coconut oil or castor oil, which are rich in nutrients that support hair growth. Low-level laser therapy, or LLLT. LLLT is a non-invasive treatment that uses light energy to stimulate hair follicles and promote growth. It's a relatively new treatment, but studies show it can be effective for both men and women with hair thinning or early-stage hair loss. Essential oils. Certain essential oils, like rosemary oil and peppermint oil, have been shown to support hair growth by improving circulation and stimulating hair follicles. You can dilute these oils with a carrier oil and massage them into your scalp a few times a week. Conclusion. Take control of your hair. Health. Hair loss can be frustrating, but it doesn't have to be permanent. By understanding the two main causes, genetics and lifestyle factors, you can take control of your hair health and work towards regrowing and strengthening your hair. Whether you choose medical treatments like Minoxidil or Finasteride, or prefer natural methods like improving your diet and reducing stress, there are solutions that can work for you. Remember, hair regrowth takes time, so don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Stay consistent with your chosen treatments, and with patience, you can restore your hair's health and thickness. Have you experienced hair loss? And what treatments have you tried? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on hair care, health, and wellness. If you're ready to take action and regrow your hair, start today.